Hello friends, Breziana is here for you today to create a background for a beautiful scenery. As usual, the brushes that we need for today are a flat brush. See friends, this is a flat brush with which I'm going to create a beautiful background for a beautiful nature scenery. That is definitely going to take you all out from all the stress and strains of the daily life. I'm also going to use a small flat brush, this one, which will be useful for creating some trees, coconut trees. Yes, friends, we'll also show some coconut trees so that we can spend a beautiful time creating a nature scene, friends. So friends, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to squish my brush like this. See friends, I'm going to squish my brush like this and take off the extra water, and then let's start with our painting, friends. So the colors that I'm going to use for today are orange, titanium white, black, yellow. This is medium yellow, friends. You can also use lemon yellow if you like. This is deep green, deep blue and magenta, friends. So friends, we are starting with our painting. First of all, I'm going to grab a little bit of orange and white together to create a beautiful scene, friends. See friends, also a little bit yellow I'm grabbing so that all the colors are mixed together and they are able to give us a beautiful nature scene, friends. See, I'm grabbing a little bit more of orange. See friends, like this. We make sure that all the colors are blended together and there is no space which is left undone. So this is the way we are creating, friends. Now we are also going to grab a little bit of white to give it that whitish texture. See friends, this way. I hope you are having a good time with Breziana creating such beautiful nature scene, friends. I have grabbed more of yellow, medium yellow here, and I'm also just blending it wherever I want the yellow color to be more, like this, friends. See, this is medium yellow. You can also use lemon yellow if you like. So friends, this way I'm creating. See friends, we'll do this only on half the canvas, and below we are going to create a scenery showing water. So I'm going to create a blue color background for that. So friends, see how it is coming up. See friends, it's a beautiful, very cool, super easy and fun, friends. I will create more of this scenery on the lower half, just a little bit, and just continue with our strokes like this, friends. I hope you all have your canvases, your brushes and your paints with you so that you can have a very good time with Breziana. So friends, a little bit white, give this a vibrant and a natural look. We can just show a little bit of white on the upper part afterwards also, this way. So you are creating your own painting. So that must be beautiful. So one more layer, another layer I'm going to create here. Only this much, friends. Just this part I'm going to create like this. See, friends, now it's over, it's done, almost done. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to grab a little bit of magenta and white, friends, so that I'm able to create one more realistic look. See, friends, just a little bit of magenta, just a little bit of magenta mixed with white, friends, like this. See, friends, it's creating a very good scenery effect like this. See, friends, how I am creating. So friends, this is almost over. I'm just going to create an approximate line here so that I get an idea where to create the water. So this part I'm going to use blue color. So for that, I'm going to wash my brush, get off the extra water, and then again squish and grab the blue and the white together to create a watery scene. So friends, we are going to create a beautiful watery scene now, and for that I am going to grab a little bit of blue on the brush and white, of course. White because it will make the water color just natural. It will give it a natural look because this will fade the blue color that I have, and it will definitely going to give it a watery structure and a watery look that we want to create. So blue and white should be in equal proportion. Later on, you can just increase any proportion according to your wish. What color you want to give, that is more important. So I am going to mix both the white and the blue color together. See, friends, how I am trying to create the water body look here. See, friends, how I am blending in the two colors together. See, friends, I'm just giving this texture to this water body. It's like this, friends, this way. See, friends, it's like this. And to grab again a little bit of blue and yellow together. So friends, this way I am going to cover the whole of my canvas, and it is definitely going to give a very naturalistic and a vibrant look to the water that we want to create in our nature scene. We should make sure that we should not leave any portion of the canvas. We should cover the whole of the canvas like this so that nothing is left undone. So we are just going to have a look where we want to put the paints like this so that we have an idea. Where to create. Now what I am going to do, I am going to grab a little bit of white color, friends, and light blue. This time the blue that I am using should be lighter than the previous one. I am able to create a few lines showing the naturalistic view of water like this, friends. Realistic view of water can be seen this way. A realistic view, friends. See, this way. A little bit of white just grabbing a little bit of this can help a lot in creating that beauty look that we want to give to our paintings, friends. So friends, this way these lines show that this is a watery scene and white together. Just mingle it. Just make sure none of the portion is left undone, friends. See friends how I have completed this. So friends, this is my painting for beautiful scenery, nature scenery that I'm going to create in my next video after this dries up. So stay tuned and connect with Braziana for more such fun and beautiful paintings which can make you get rid of your stresses and strains and help you to lead a healthy lifestyle, friends. Thanks so much, friends. Thank you. Thanks all.